Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the new Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 Wayfarer sunglasses that I just got in. Whether you're into capturing moments on the go, staying connected hands-free, or just looking for that futuristic tech edge, these might be a game changer for you. Let's check out what's inside, and we'll start with the packaging. I find that it's very sleek, very minimal, and I actually went with matte black polarized, and I like how when you pull this little piece off, it's got listen, call, live stream, just showing that it's centered towards more technology. Now opening up the package, right away you get the Ray-Ban hard case, which now doubles as a charging case. Which you can see at the bottom. It's a USB-C port built in. It unfortunately doesn't come with the USB-C cable, but if you don't have one, easily pick one up off Amazon, Best Buy, or any other tech stores for fairly cheap. Also comes with the microfiber cleaning cloth. I just like the little touches that they did. Ray-Ban and Meta did to each of the items they put in there. Got on the safety packages here. Also comes with the get started paperwork, which is pretty easy to understand. Got to download the app. Inside there's a little plastic pull tab that I've already taken off. Charging. And then of course the battery level indicator, which is this right here. It will be green or orange, indicating the battery state of the glasses. Also that comes inside that, which is pretty cool. If you want to turn these smart glasses into a prescription lens, just scan this QR code and that comes in the package. And it will give you participating locations that will do that. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if it'll give the extent of the cost to switch it to a prescription lens, but at least it's pretty cool that they have the option to do that, so that you can wear this as an everyday sunglasses with all the tech built into it. Now let's check out the glasses. You open this up, which is like a magnetic piece. Inside, once again, the Ray-Ban Meta branding. With this suede material, very nice. Inside we got the glasses. Which looks really nice. I love the matte black look. And you would never guess that it had 12 megapixel cameras on each side. Also, it's got the built-in speakers. I don't know if you can see them. It's very sleek, but they're right here. There's one there and one there. And so when you put them on, it's set to be next to your ears. Also has the touchpad controls right here. And I'll be putting these on in a second. But yeah, this is what they look like. Just like looks like any ordinary glasses. I think they did a really good job teaming up with Ray-Ban to make these Gen 2s. And we'll try them on in a second. Now wearing these, they're actually very comfortable to sit on the bridge of the nose really well. And the audio is surprisingly crisp. Next to the ears, you can hear it very clearly. Able to take calls, listen to music, and even live stream directly from the glasses. Also with Meta AI built in, you can ask questions, take photos, all hands-free. Now, you can also tap this button right here, and you can see on the lens, it snaps a photo, and you can hear it in the speakers that the photo is going off. Or you can also do the photo taking, hands-free with Meta AI, as I said before. But yeah, they look really good. I like them. They look just like the normal sunglasses I would wear, like Holbrook from Oakley, or any other brands that have a similar style this Ray-Ban has. I'll be testing these out in real-world scenarios: travel, homeschool field trips, daily walks, you name it. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and drop a comment with questions, or if you want to see a deep dive review in our upcoming videos. Catch you in the next one, and as always, stay curious, stay connected, and have a blessed day.